we have to add integers with the same sign. In the first example, we have -7 plus -2. So both integers are negative. So we copy negative sign and we have to just add 7 and 2. 7 plus 2. Negative sign we copy. 7 plus 2 is 9. So -7 plus -2 is -9. Next example, again we have to add two integers with the same sign. In this example we have negative. So again we copy negative sign and we just add these two numbers, 37 plus 13. So this is equal, negative sign we copy, and 37 plus 13. 30 plus 10 is 40 and 7 plus 3 is 10, so it will be 50. Next example, we have -5 plus -18. Again, we add two integers with the same sign, both negatives. So we copy negative sign and we add only 5 and 18. Negative sign we rewrite, and we have 5 plus 18 is 23. So this is my solution.